Let's take a look at what's happening, and well, we're obviously not talking about storms this morning. It's too cold out there. 38 degrees is the current temperature. Some patchy fog here and there, but visibility is right around downtown Raleigh. No, they're looking okay at the moment. We'll keep an eye on things. We're still about 2 hours away from sunrise, so there's time for that fog to thicken up to a greater extent. Officially in Raleigh, visibility is half a mile. Now that's the visibility taken at the airport, which is in northwestern Wake County. Get towards downtown, and it's fine. So it's going to go neighborhood by neighborhood. Quarter-mile visibility reported right now in Siler City, so you can see how much these numbers fluctuate. A little extra time on the way out the door this morning wouldn't be the worst thing in the world for you. And just a little bit extra time to warm up the car, too. 32 degrees the current temperature in Henderson, Roxborough, and in Siler City. Exactly freezing. 38 degrees right now in Raleigh, but 41 in Durham, Clayton, Goldsboro, 43 in Clinton and Fayetteville. A few slightly warmer locations on the map, but all in all, these temperatures are pretty close to what's normal for late February. And high temperatures later on today are going to be close to, in fact, a little bit above what's normal for late February. That fog's going to stick around through the early morning hours, but it should disperse by about 9 o'clock, I think, at the latest, and then temperatures warm up. Mid-50s by noon, up to the low 60s for highs this afternoon. It's 4 degrees above average for today, and it's still winter, so we don't complain about above average temperatures. Light winds from the southeast. Temperatures dropping off to the upper 50s just before the sun goes down, just after 6 o'clock this evening. Temperatures this afternoon will be a little warmer the farther south you go into the Sandhills. We're talking about mid-60s, including 65 degrees in Fayetteville and on Fort Bragg. Low to mid-60s up and down the coastal plain. Should see quite a bit of sunshine with just a few high-level clouds floating through during the afternoon. Low 60s in the Triangle and right around 60 degrees towards the Virginia state line. Next rainmaker approaches us as we head through the day tomorrow. Clear skies overhead today, clear skies to start tonight, but increasing clouds overnight will help to limit how far our temperatures drop. I think we'll start off around 40 degrees tomorrow morning, and we stay dry for the first half of the day tomorrow, but mostly cloudy skies overhead throughout the day. So it's looking like a gray day on Wednesday, and increasingly wet as we head towards Wednesday late afternoon and early evening, but still just a scattershot pattern to these showers on the radar simulation as we go into the early evening hours, with more showers developing later in the evening. Widespread rain spreading in from the west as we head into Wednesday night. And it looks like this is going to be sticking around on Thursday. Maybe a few rumbles of thunder, but again, our severe weather potential looks like it's going to remain very low with this next system that comes through on Thursday. Temperatures will warm up to the low 60s in between rounds of rainfall Thursday morning and Thursday afternoon. The rain's gone by the end of the work week. We see decreasing clouds on Friday. Cooler temperatures settling in with highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s for the first weekend in March, which is a few degrees below average. But a dry weekend is exactly what everybody's been hoping for around here, because the last several weekends have been wet. The last dry weekend we saw around here was back in the middle of January. So at least we're starting off March on the right foot, even if it's a little bit on the cool side.